Is this happening to you? Well, you're in luck. This is how you fix it. First, go to your settings. Then go to apps. Search Gacha Club in your apps. Scroll until you find storage. Then you click Clear Cache. Don't be scared to clear your cache. Cache is just how an app runs smoothly. It won't affect the app too much. It may just lag for a little. Let's see if it worked. It worked! I want to thank my new friend Avery for helping me fix this bug. Link to their socials will be in the description. I hope this helped fix your bug in your gacha game. Thank you for watching. I love you, my lovely kittens and little devils.